Well, hello everybody. Yes, I've kind of figured out the GoPro 5. My son gave me this one, Jeremiah. Yep, I kind of figured it out. Uh-oh, the lens is dirty. Hold on a second. That's better. Well, at least I can see. There's no light on this, and I don't know about ISO and 1600 and 2400, and I guess I looked some of it up, so I just let it go on, I guess, default. So, and it's 1080 60L, whatever that's telling me. Well, now I can't see the back. Oh, wait a minute. I guess extra while the little video thing here in the back stops, so I can't see. I guess I just guess at that point. But yeah, I got the tanks back on and everything fit under there well. I had put a washer under here, but turned out it was a little high, even though that I did put those two washers on either side here to give it that little bit of a lift. I did put one O-ring under here, so it's kind of like, it's not solid. It's like rubber mounted, like they have been doing later on. There was like a rubber grommet. Well, I just put an O-ring in between the two, between the little nut and bolt on either side. So, of course, then I have to figure out, I got the app, so figure out to get it to the app, what I'm recording to the app, and then I figure out maybe I can get it to YouTube. Time will tell. If you see this on there, I've actually figured it out. I got a whole bunch of accessories too, like a handhold thing and a chest thing you put on your chest, and a bunch of stuff I guess you could stick it to, like your helmet or something. But, oh, there it goes again. A little. Yeah, I guess it shuts off after a while. Saves the battery. Oh, and I charge this up using my little pack that I put in the window. It's like a little, what do you call that thing you put on the roof? Light cell? Doggone it. Well, it's just a little thing you can carry in your pocket, but it recharges by using the sun, so that's how I recharge the battery in this thing. Well, and I cleaned up the rim, and I cleaned up over here. I don't know, maybe that helps with some light. I cleaned up it's not an O-ring chain. I don't know what's better. Probably some, there you go. Fortunately, I have to watch to see I don't get in the shadow. Oh, man, to be a cinematographer, huh? Of course, hopefully you can hear me too. It's not an O-ring. Yeah, maybe it is an O-ring chain, but there's a chain in between O-ring and regular, and this is actually a little extra wide. It's fine. It came with the bike. I don't know if I would buy an O-ring chain because they're awful expensive. But yeah, I cleaned up the chain and cleaned up everything. Adjusted the chain. I'll put my chain guard back on, I guess. Oh, let's see. Somehow I wired it so when you have the ignition on, the lights come on. I mean the little light up here, which is fine. I can change that if I take the headlight bucket out. I can put the wire on something else. But for right now, that's the way that goes. And then of course there's the other lights. So that's what I've been doing. Kind of cold today. It got up to, well, it was 0 this morning, I think. I got the charger there on charge. The other one, don't know how well you can see this one. I guess I'll turn on the headlight. Yeah. But yeah, those are the handlebars I stuck on, and they're pretty decent. Those Hollywood bars or Flanders bars. They got the bar there, and When you sit on there, it sits pretty good. Light comes down the wrist pretty good, pretty decent. They're as wide as the FLH, but they come back a little bit like a little bit of a beach bar. Now the thing is, if you do this, and if you get them, you can see up there, I had to notch out. About another ½ inch because it's a notch, not an indent, so that the it's as close as I can get. But so the wires don't get pinched. Probably in other models, I think they these are carved out the mount itself. But yeah, I had to take. Let's see if I still got it over here. But yeah, then I put my thing here so I can see, the voltage. And I still have my light there. Red is not good, but I got it charging now. And turn the light off, goes back to yellow. And if it flashes green, it means like really good. But yeah, I like that. At least it gives you an eye, keep an eye on stuff. Well, let's see. I suppose other GoPros probably stay lit and they're better batteries. This is a 5 black. I know they're up to 12 and 13. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is the little piece I had to cut out of there. I had to notch it, and that was my little, I guess you call it die grinder or something, with the little cone that grinds. Well, and then I made sure the ends weren't sharp and rounded so it wouldn't start any cracks. So that's about how much you have to take out if you, yeah. I'll keep the light off and see how well it looks, I guess. But, looks like I might get a little bit more snow. Like I say, I sure could use maybe a little bit more. That's only 50,000 BTU, so it's okay. And it warms up the area, but putting up the plastic helps. Kind of ricochets it back. Well, that's it for my first foray into the GoPro 5. We'll see if I can actually get it to YouTube. If I do, like I said, you'll see it. It is kind of handy if I can figure it out, do a good job doing it. Don't make it look like, there you go, like I'm on a stick there. See, yeah. But, oh well. We'll see. Catch you guys later. Stay safe. May the warm winds come soon. Bye for now.